How to fix microphone not working on WhatsApp. This tutorial shows you how to resolve audio and voice message issues on WhatsApp for Android. First, open the Settings application on your Android device. The Settings menu will appear on screen. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. Your installed applications will load. Following that, find and tap on WhatsApp in the list. The WhatsApp app info page will open. Now, tap on Permissions. Your permission settings will be displayed. Moving forward, look for Microphone in the list. The microphone permission status will show. Afterwards, tap on Microphone. The permission options will appear. Then, select Allow or Allow only while using the app. WhatsApp can now access your microphone. Once that's done, go back to the app info page. The main WhatsApp settings will reappear. Next, tap on Storage. Your storage options will load. Afterwards, tap on Clear Cache. WhatsApp will remove temporary files. Now, close Settings and open WhatsApp. The app will launch fresh. Then, try recording a voice message to test. The microphone should now be working. Alternatively, if the issue persists, restart your Android device. Your phone will reboot completely. Once that's done, open WhatsApp again and test the microphone. The audio recording should function properly. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you fix microphone not working on WhatsApp, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp troubleshooting guides, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.